Good day, everyone. We are here to present our study entitled Design and Implementation of a Digital OJT Management System for CCIS Students. Nowadays, technology really changed how schools manage their academic processes. Through digital systems, coordination, and efficiency greatly improve, especially when it comes to monitoring and record keeping. Our study focuses on modernizing the OJT management process since on-the-job training serves as the bridge between classroom learning and real-world experience. OJT helps students develop competence, communication, uh, skills, and employability. However, sa CCIS, we still use manual tracking, meaning printed forms, logbooks, and yun, handwritten reports. This process is time consuming. Thus, it is prone to errors and minsan nawawala pa yung mga records. So, our goal here is to develop a digital OJT management system that will automate and simplify those processes inspired by Kasugay et al. 2024 and other studies that promote technological innovation in education. For slide 2, we have here the global context. On a global level, many countries already use online internship management tools. According to Petcharat and Suthirak 2024, these tools improve monitoring, feedback, and documentation by allowing yung mga coordinators and students or to interact online. Cloud-based systems provide real-time updates, accuracy, and transparency, ensuring yung accountability between ng students and mentors. This shows that around the world, schools are embracing the digital OJT management systems to make their program more efficient and reliable. For slide 3, we have here the national context. In the Philippines, several schools are now shifting to digital OJT systems too. This system help automate yung mga students' records and reduce paperwork. For Oliveras 2022, it highlighted that a management information system successfully improved OJT coordination and reduce manual errors. But still, many colleges continue using manual tracking. Most systems are not yet centralized. That's why, yon, our research focuses on developing a unified and localized OJT system that fits the needs of the CCIS. For slide 4, we have the local context. Here in SPCF or our department, which is CCIS, our OJT processes is still manual. Students submit printed forms and logbooks while coordinators manually record and check their progress because of that, uh, nagkakaroon tayo ng efficiency, lost records, and communication gaps between students and coordinators. Since yun nga, our department supports technological advancement, ito yung tamang time para i-introduce namin yung centralized digital tracking system to make our our OJT process is easier and more efficient. Then for the next slide, we have the research problem. Our main research question is here is how can we improve the efficiency of the OJT process at CCIS? To answer that, we explored several sub-questions. Ano ang mga challenges sa manual tracking? anong features yung kailangan for effective monitoring, what technologies best fit this kind of system, and how can we test its usability and performance. Our goal is to design a system that simplifies OJT tracking for both students and coordinators. And yun, for the next slide, we have here the objectives of the study. Our objectives are to develop a digital OJT management prototype, to analyze the current manual process and its challenges, design registration and approval features, enable the document uploading and coordinator feedback, build a monitoring dashboard, and lastly, to evaluate the system's usability and yung performance niya. All of these aim to improve how CCIS manages its OJT process. So for the next slide, we have the scope and the limitations. This study focuses only on CCIS students and coordinators. It covers registration, monitoring, and evaluation. However, hindi pa kasama yung mobile app version nito or yung integration with partner companies. The system is just a prototype for academic testing during the year of or this year academic year 2025-2026. For the review of related literature, based on related studies, we have global, national, and local. For globally, OJT systems improve efficiency and monitoring. Then nationally, automation helps reduce errors and delays. And locally, most schools, including our school, still rely on manual tracking. That's the yung research gap we're addressing, the lack of localized web-based OJT system for CCIS. Our study supports the schools, or it is it we supports the school's goal of digital transformation. For next slide, we have the research design. We used a descriptive qualitative design here based on Creswell and Creswell 2018. This allowed us to describe and analyze how the prototype performs without manipulating variables. We collected yung mga data through structured questionnaires and focus on user experiences, feedback, and yung system usability. In short, we wanted to understand how effective and user-friendly the system is for both coordinators and students. For the next slide, data were analyzed using descriptive statistics in Excel 2021. Bali, yun yung gagamitin namin, yung Excel 2021, including yung frequency, mean, and weighted mean. We strictly followed the Data Privacy Act of 2012, ensuring the anonymity and confidentiality. Everyone will be signed and informed consent, and the study was used only for academic purposes. For the next slide, lastly, or the summary and conclusion, to summarize, the digital OJT system enhances efficiency and coordination. It replaces the manual logbooks and reduces paperwork. Also, it promotes real-time feedback, data accuracy, and transparency. Lastly, we have the and it supports SPCF digital transformation goal. So yung prototype na to, it shows great potential for full implementation in the future. And this brings us to our message na technology-driven learning simplified through innovation. This quotes this quote captures the essence of our study. Then the technology-driven learning meaning niya is that education today is powered by modern tools and systems. We use technology to enhance learning and management. For simplified through innovation naman means we don't just add technology for the sake of it. We use it to make things easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. Our OJT management system embodies that idea. It simplifies academic processes through smart, innovative design.
The main problem we observe is that many schools, especially local colleges, still rely on manual OJT tracking using logbooks, printed forms, and personal submissions. This process is time consuming, prone to lost documents, and make it difficult for coordinators to properly monitor students. Our concept aims to solve this issue by providing a centralized digital system that automates everything from registration to evaluation, making the entire process easier, more accurate, and less hassle for both students and coordinators.
And for question number two, in terms of efficiency, our proposed system significantly saves time since all processes are conducted online, eliminating the need for manual checking, and coordinators can easily monitor student progress in real time, while student can conveniently upload the requirements anytime and anywhere. For security, the systems includes a login authentication feature, ensuring that only authorized users can access and manage their respective data. Uh, this helps protect sensitive information and maintain data integrity. And regarding user experience, the system is designed with a simple and responsive interface, making it easy to navigate even for first-time users. Overall, the system promotes a smooth, accessible, and user-friendly experience for both students and coordinators. And for question number three, the proposed system includes several key features such as student registration, document uploading, coordinator feedback, and the monitoring dashboard. All these components are interconnected through centralized database, ensuring seamless data flow between users. For instance, once a student uploads a document, the coordinator can immediately view it and provide feedback in real time. This integration promotes transparency, organization, and efficient communication between all parties involved. In essence, the system functions as one-stop OGT portal that streamlines processes, enhances monitoring, and ensures that both students and coordinators can perform their tasks more effectively and conveniently.
For question number 4, we'll be using web-based technologies like HTML, CCIS, JavaScript for the front end, and PHP with MySQL for the back-end database. We also need a server or hosting platform para ma-deploy online and basic hardware like computers or laptop for coordinators and students. Since it's web-based, no need for installation, just a stable internet connection, simple but efficient implementation.
And for the last question, we will evaluate the system through users' feedback and performance assessment surveys, focusing on usability, accessibility, and efficiency. We will use Likert skill questionnaires to measure users' satisfaction and track key metrics such as processing time and the errors rate before and after the implementation. If user experience faster processes, better organization, and easier navigation compared to manual methods, it will clearly indicate that the system is effective. Thank you.